Hey everyone, welcome back to Soulful Summit. I'm Grace, and I'm so grateful to have you here today. Today, we're going to dive into a topic that I believe is essential for our personal growth and happiness: spring cleaning your life. And specifically, we're going to talk about letting go of past regrets, embracing forgiveness, and moving forward. You know, we all have those moments in our lives that we wish we could change. We hold on to them, replaying them in our minds, and allowing them to weigh us down. But here's the thing, my friends. Holding on to past regrets only hinders our ability to move forward and embrace the beautiful opportunities that lie ahead. So, let's take a moment to reflect on those regrets. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and imagine yourself releasing them. Visualize them floating away, leaving you with a sense of lightness and freedom. It's time to forgive yourself, my friends. We are all human, and we all make mistakes. It's part of our journey. By embracing forgiveness, we open ourselves up to a world of possibilities. We create space for growth, for healing, and for new beginnings. When we let go of past regrets, we allow ourselves to fully experience the present moment and all the joy it holds. We give ourselves permission to be happy, to be at peace, and to live a life filled with purpose. Now, I know forgiveness is not always easy. It takes time, patience, and self-compassion. But remember, my friends, forgiveness is not about condoning the actions or choices that led to our regrets. It's about releasing the negative energy that keeps us stuck in the past. It's about reclaiming our power and choosing to move forward with grace and love. So, as we embark on this journey of spring cleaning our lives, I encourage you to let go of those past regrets. Embrace forgiveness, not only for others, but for yourself as well. Allow yourself to heal, to grow, and to become the best version of yourself. And remember, my friends, you are worthy of love, happiness, and all the beautiful things life has to offer. So let go, forgive, and move forward with a renewed sense of purpose and joy. If you found this message resonated with you, I invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We have so much more content coming your way, filled with inspiration, motivation, and guidance on how to live your best life. Thank you for joining me today on Soulful Summit. Remember, my friends, you have the power to create the life you've always dreamed of. Embrace forgiveness, let go of past regrets, and watch as your life transforms into something truly extraordinary. Until next time, take care and keep shining your beautiful light.